Good day, my name is Olumiwa, the first populations officer of the Nigeria Police Force. This time around, we're in Ember Month. We always like to remind ourselves of certain things we need to take note of for our safety and for the safety of our people, and of course for perfect protection of our society in Nigeria. Anytime from September, October, November up to December, we say Ember Month. And unfortunately, this period is always characterized with purported ugly incidences, which of course to me, I don't want to subscribe to that these months are full of evil things, crimes, criminality. Fine, people may want to step up their games, particularly men of the underworld. They want to step up their games this period to acquire illegally, to gather money to celebrate this period. But we know that with the effort being put in place by the police and other security agencies, we can actually suppress whatever they want to do. But we cannot do it alone. We need your support. We need the understanding. We need your cooperation to collaborate with the police and other security agencies to actually decimate the activities of these men of the underworld. There are certain things you need to take note of. Avoid unnecessary movement, particularly night trips. When it is night, find somewhere to park, stay, relax, and continue your journey the following day. No matter how perfect you are as a driver, many of us, we are full of ourselves that I'm a good driver. I've been driving since 1976. It doesn't matter. Those night trips could be dangerous to you if you are not careful. Don't discuss business in open places. When discussing your business, you're mentioning big money. You are fond of oppressing people or showing affluence in the public because you want to be known. You want to be noticed. When you are discussing serious business, don't do it in the public. Try to embrace privacy. In our homes, make sure our compounds are well lit at night. Let us talk to our children, not to open our gates or doors to just anybody. Confirm the identity, the personality of that person at the door or at the main gate before you open the gate. When we are driving, you want to go to our various homes. I've always been saying this. Watch your side mirrors. Consider those who are moving behind you or trailing you. If you notice that people are trailing you and you notice any unusual movement around or behind you when you want to drive into your compound, don't go into that compound. Continue your journey and make sure you locate a very, very safe place, either a shopping complex, a market square, filling station, or any busy place to stop for a while. Assess your environment before you go into your house. And of course, I always say, please do everything in moderation. If you want to go out to catch the fun, know your gauge. It's not because you see a wolf, we call it a wolf in the place. Free things. And you that can only take a bottle of beer, and because it's a wolf, you want to take 20 bottles, then you lose control. You can't even control yourselves again. It is not good in any way. Let's do everything we want to do in moderation. Fun seekers, you go out there, you enjoy. This is a period we seek fun. We go out, we cruise, Christmas period, New Year period, series of activities, particularly when our friends from abroad come home, we want to groove. Let us be mindful of what we do. In the police, we say, be careful of somebody who is unduly friendly to you. For us in the police, we have put in certain measures to make sure protect your lives, protect your property, and we protect our various communities in Nigeria. Use our helplines. These numbers have been rolled out. Our social media accounts and handles have been rolled out. Phone numbers of PROs and prominent individuals, our control room centers, all of them, these numbers are out there. And take note of these numbers. It can save you, and it can save many others. From all of us from Nigeria Police Force, we say enjoy this period. Make sure you are security conscious. Be very, very safe so that you can protect yourself and protect others around you. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.